The convenient location of this large lot in West Austin attracted the new owners, but the 1980s-era suburban brick house that existed on the property didn't align with their modern aesthetic, nor did it take advantage of the wooded natural setting. A remodel and addition retained the core of the original structure and simplified the massing, removing extraneous gables and appendages. A light-filled living room and kitchen were added to the back of the house, opening to a new covered outdoor living space and negative-edge pool with views into the woods. The added area improved the flow of the house, and allowed it to serve double duty as a family house and as a space for frequent indoor-outdoor entertaining. The front was reimagined with a modern volume containing master bedroom and gym, connecting to the main house with a dramatic steel and glass dining room bridge. The entry was reconfigured to bring guests into the heart of the house, where a curved staircase retains the memory of the former design. The design brings a fresh material clarity to the house. On the exterior, stucco covers the old brick, retaining the thickness of the masonry and providing a blank canvas for capturing shadows and light. Standing seam metal roofing and siding brings a contemporary feel to the composition. The interior is simply defined with white walls, walnut casework, steel detailing, and slate and wood floors, giving new life to this house for a young family with 3 active boys.